There's one number that separates truckers who make real money from those who just stay busy. It's called your cost per mile, and in the next 10 minutes, we're gonna calculate it together. It's Daniel here again at the LogRocks YouTube channel, and today we're breaking down every major cost category: fuel, truck payments, insurance, repairs, tires, and a few line items most people don't think about until they're already running. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear formula you can plug your own numbers into. No guessing, no spreadsheet experience needed, just a real number you can use to bid freight with confidence. Let's walk through this with John. John is a fictional character, a combination of real owner-operator stories we hear every week. Results vary based on individual circumstances. John left his company driving job, bought a used Pete, got his authority, and started hauling general freight. First month, he grosses $18,000. He's pumped. So he sits down and writes it all out. $6,500 in diesel, $1,400 in insurance, $800 in maintenance, truck payment, tires. Once he added everything up, he realized he was clearing about $4,000 in profit, which told him something really important. He needed to either run more miles, raise his rate, or cut a cost. And now he knew which one. That's the power of knowing your cost per mile. When you know this number, you stop guessing and start making decisions. You know exactly what a load needs to pay before you accept it. You know where your money is going. And you can spot the one or two costs where a small change has the biggest impact on your take home. This is how owner-operators build sustainable businesses. So here's what we're getting into today. We're breaking down 5 major cost categories: fuel, truck payments, insurance, repairs and tires, and the hidden costs most people forget. Then I'll show you how to add it all up into one number: your cost per mile. Stay through the end. That calculation section is where it all comes together into one actionable number. And if this kind of content helps you run your business smarter, hit like right now. It tells YouTube to put this in front of more truckers who need it. Okay, let's get into it. Fuel first. Fuel is typically the second largest cost for an owner-operator, right behind your truck payment. And according to ATRI's 2025 operational cost report, the industry average came in at 48 cents per mile in 2024. That's actually down from the year before, mostly because diesel prices dropped. But here's how to calculate yours specifically. Take your diesel price, let's say $3.57 a gallon, which was close to the national average in early 2025 according to the EIA, and divide it by your MPG. A loaded semi averages around 6 to 7 miles per gallon. So at 6.5 MPG and $3.57 diesel, you're looking at about 55 cents per mile just in fuel. Now multiply that across a full year. A TBS data shows the average owner-op burns through roughly 20,500 gallons a year. That gives you a solid baseline to work with when you're projecting annual costs. And here's the good news. Diesel prices do come down. When they do, your fuel CPM drops and your margin improves automatically because you already know this number. Next up, truck payments and depreciation. This one hit harder in the last couple years than almost anything else. ATRI's report shows equipment lease and purchase payments jumped 8.3%, from 36 cents to 39 cents per mile in 2024. That's the biggest cost increase in the entire report. And here's why it matters. That's just the payment. It doesn't account for what the truck is worth while you're running it into the ground. Depreciation is the money you're losing every mile as your truck gets older and loses value. It's a real cost, even if it doesn't come out of your account every month. For a used truck worth $80,000 with a 5-year lifespan and maybe $20,000 salvage value at the end, you're looking at $12,000 a year, or about 10 cents per mile in depreciation on top of your payment. And hey, pro tip here, when you're shopping for a truck, factor both the payment and the depreciation into your CPM. It helps you compare options on an apples to apples basis, not just what the monthly payment is, but what it's actually costing you per mile over the life of the truck. Now let's talk about insurance, and this one's climbing. According to ATRI, insurance hit a record $0.102 per mile in 2024, up 3% from the year before. And into 2025, premiums kept climbing. Some carriers reported a 5.8% year-over-year increase in Q1 2025. So what's driving that? A big one is what the industry calls nuclear verdicts, massive jury awards against trucking companies. In 2024 alone, there were 135 nuclear verdicts totaling $31.3 billion. When insurers pay out billions, they pass that cost on. Now, what does this mean for your wallet? For an owner-operator running under your own authority, for hire, interstate, general freight in a vehicle over 10,001 pounds, you're required under 49 CFR Part 387 to carry a minimum of $750,000 in public liability. Most carriers will actually require $1 million, and that's what most owner ops carry. What that costs you? It typically ranges from $8,000 to $15,000 per year for $1 million in primary liability. And some operations, especially new authorities or high-risk cargo, can pay significantly more. Your actual premium will depend on your state, your driving record, your cargo, and your radius of operation. Next, let's talk about repairs, maintenance, and tires. This is the one that sneaks up on people. ATRI puts the industry average at $0.198 per mile for repairs and maintenance in 2024. ATBS, which tracks owner-operator specific financials, puts maintenance alone at around $1,234 per month, or roughly $0.14 per mile, and that's been climbing. Tires are a big chunk of that. A single commercial truck tire runs $250 to $600, with premium tires hitting $1,000 or more. A full set of 10 tires, you're looking at $4,000 to $6,000 plus out of pocket. And you'll replace them every 3 to 6 years depending on how hard you're running. Drop a comment below. What maintenance line item surprised you most when you first started tracking your costs? I read every comment and I'd love to hear what you're seeing out there. And here's a place where tracking your CPM actually saves you money. When you know your R&M cost per mile is creeping up, it's a signal to look at your PM schedule before something bigger happens. Preventive maintenance is an investment that shows up in your CPM. The numbers tell you when to act. Budget at least 15 cents to 20 cents per mile for R&M. If you're running an older truck, plan a little higher. It gives you a buffer and peace of mind. Okay, number 5 on our list, the costs people forget about. These aren't glamorous, but they'll eat into your margin fast. Tolls. Depending on your lanes, tolls can run 2 cents to 6 cents per mile or more. That adds up fast on the Northeast Corridor or across the major interstates out west. Permits and licensing. IFTA, fuel tax filings, UCR registration, state permits. Budget around $1,500 to $3,000 per year, depending on your states and commodity. ELD and load boards. Your electronic logging device is required by FMCSA for most CMV operators. Factor in $25 to $50 per month. Add a load board subscription, DAT, or Trulos, and you're at another $100 to $200 per month. Deadhead miles. If you're running 20% of your miles empty, which is actually pretty good, those miles still cost you fuel and wear and tear. Including them in your CPM calculation gives you a more accurate picture of your true operating cost per revenue mile. Add it all together and you're looking at roughly 8 cents to 15 cents per mile in these additional costs. And now you know exactly where they're coming from. All right, let's add it all up. Based on ATRI's 2025 data, here's what the average for-hire trucking operation looks like. Fuel between 48 cents and 55 cents. Truck payment plus depreciation, 49 cents. Insurance between 10 cents and 15 cents. Repairs and maintenance between 15 cents and 20 cents. Hidden costs between 8 cents and 15 cents. So what the total would be? Roughly $1.30 to $1.60 per mile in direct operating costs before you pay yourself. Add in driver wages and benefits, and ATRI's full all-in industry average hits $2.26 per mile. Now here's how you use this. If you're an owner-operator who is the driver, calculate your own number using your actual fuel cost, your truck payment, your insurance premium. That number is your floor, your minimum acceptable rate. Every dollar above it is money in your pocket. This is the number that makes you a smarter negotiator on every load you accept. But listen to me, before you go calculate yours, here are 3 things to make sure your number is accurate. Number 1, use total miles, not just loaded miles. Deadhead miles are real miles with real costs. Including them makes your CPM more accurate and your rate decisions sharper. Number 2, build in a buffer for downtime. Your truck will occasionally be in the shop. Your fixed costs, insurance, payments keep running. Adding 5 to 10% as a buffer keeps you covered without stress. Number 3, update it once a year. Costs shift. Recalculate annually, especially after a rate change, a new truck, or a new insurance renewal, so your floor stays current. Here's the recap. Your 5 major cost categories are fuel, truck payments and depreciation, insurance, repairs and tires, and the additional costs like tolls, permits, and deadhead miles. Add them up and you've got your cost per mile, your single most useful business number. Most owner-operators land somewhere between $1.80 and $2.50 per mile, depending on their operation. And now you know how to build yours from the ground up. Know your number, use it on every load decision, and update it once a year. One cost that a lot of owner-operators aren't fully in control of is insurance. If you want to make sure yours is structured right for your operation and that you're not paying for coverage you don't need or missing coverage you do, LogRock can help. Free quote, no pressure, link in the description. And subscribe, we drop new trucking business guides every week. You don't want to miss what's coming next.